The train that never stopped. Welcome to tonight's story. Find a comfortable place, relax, and let your imagination travel with you. This is the story of a train that nobody could explain. Many years ago, in a small town surrounded by forests, there was an old railway station. The station was quiet most of the time. Only a few trains stopped there each day. But the local people shared a strange story. According to the legend, once every year on a cold autumn night, a mysterious train would appear. The train had no name, no number, no destination, and it never stopped. One evening, a young journalist named Daniel arrived in town. He had heard the story and wanted to discover the truth. The townspeople warned him. "Do not wait for the train," they said. "But why?" Daniel asked. Nobody answered. Instead, they simply looked away. Daniel decided to stay at the station that night. Hours passed. The wind moved through the trees. The station clock ticked slowly. Midnight arrived. Nothing happened. Daniel smiled. Perhaps the story was only a myth. Then he heard it, a distant whistle, long, low, and lonely. The sound echoed through the darkness. Soon, a light appeared far down the tracks. The train was coming. Daniel stood up. His heart raced. The train moved silently through the night. It looked older than any train he had ever seen. Its windows glowed with a soft golden light. But something felt strange. Inside the train sat dozens of passengers. Every person stared forward. No one moved. No one spoke. As the train passed the station, Daniel noticed something unusual. The passengers were dressed in clothing from different periods of history. Some wore suits from the 1950s. Others wore clothing from decades earlier. Then Daniel saw a young woman looking directly at him. She smiled gently and raised her hand. For a moment, time seemed to stop. Then the train disappeared into the darkness. Gone, just like that. The next morning, Daniel searched old town records. After hours of reading, he found an article from almost 70 years earlier. A train had disappeared during a storm. No wreckage was ever found. No passengers were ever recovered. Daniel looked at the list of names. His hands began to shake. One name stood out. The young woman he had seen on the train. According to the records, she had vanished 70 years ago. Yet she had looked exactly 20 years old. Daniel never told anyone what he saw that night. But every autumn, he returned to the station, waiting, listening, hoping to hear the whistle once again. And some people say that if you visit the station on the right night, you might see a golden light in the distance. A train moving silently through the darkness. A train that never stopped. Thank you for listening. Until next time, good night and travel safely wherever your dreams may take you.